Okay, you want to know how I got started on programming and being a developer? Follow the white rabbit and related videos in my gallery.
The quantum entanglement Python algorithm intuitive engine is working well, architect. Status black alert.
The architect has asked me, Honoria, to narrate this story. Began computing back in the 80s when the Spectrum 48K became available to the public. There was also the Commodore 64. This was the birth of the home console computing. My life from then on went crazy because I was 1.6 gigahertz frenzy and I had nowhere to put my energy. I was still undergoing through my Crucible alpha sequence. I was being burnt from the system and from myself, learning the code. After the purchase of the Sinclair Spectrum 48K and tape deck recorder for the data in 1982 and screen monitor, which I used my portable TV as the screen monitor, began to collect the magazines from the newsagents that were specified for the Spectrum 48K, including codes and cassettes, sometimes with data on them at the time, blank or nearly blank, but mostly they were really nasal because they were so generic and mass-produced that mistakes are obviously made within the manufacturing process. But the book and the magazine, you could type out the code directly into the Spectrum keyboard and save it on a cassette in the cassette deck. By typing out these codes in the magazine, you learned how to program, and this is where my development began. I'm not university or college taught. I'm self-taught, by the way. I've always had an interest because of my intuition regarding technology from the birth of the wristwatch with the red LED display in the 70s. Yes, all the way up to the Sinclair Spectrum 48K. Crucible Beta.